In order to set up a virtual network, the first thing we're going to need is to find which computer we can use to share applications out to our virtual workstations, as well as share data. So in this example, by clicking on my computer, we can see that we have 8 gigabytes of RAM, a decent core processor. We should be able to run it without a problem, 5, 10, 15 users without an issue at all. 64-bit is also recommended, and Windows, of course, is the preferred platform for this. Once we do that, we can jump into our admin manager, and we can see how to virtualize the network by simply determining which software programs exist on this particular machine that I'd like to share. In this instance, I could share Chrome, I could share the calculator, I could share Excel, I could share Office and different things. According to the application, I can select on executable path and determine which Windows executables and or other executables that are loaded that I would like to share. And by just double clicking it, I can then have that application shared out to all of my virtual workstations. Once that's done, the next process is to determine what the options are in terms of a host. Now, our host computer then becomes the server, if you will, for the different virtual workstations, and we can specify global scripts, user scripts, even apply group policies for those that have Active Directory. So the connection will actually enforce any security down to files, file permissions that are on the computer themselves, the host computer, which is what you're looking at now. I also have the ability to shut down sessions. When would I like to shut down a session? When it's idle or when it's at the end of the day? Should I give them a warning and what to do? Should I give our virtual workstations access to clipboard, sounds, hard drives, shared drives, automatic drives, and can I give them the access to print? And printing really provides access for people when they're remote away from the network. Can they use their own print drivers? And that's what these print driver checkboxes are. We could also check security and see what kind of encrypted connection we would like to supply. We can have smart card authentication. We could have passwords every time. And I can also create a shared account for multiple hosts in the event of a large deployment. With that said, I can also see the processes that exist and the sessions that are on, so that I can very easily stop a session, watch a session, jump on as an administrator to a session and help, as well as share the applications. The end user experience, as you've seen in other videos, is to show the actual executables and the shared files that exist to log on and be able to have the experience of a workstation even though it's happening virtually. I hope you've enjoyed this segment of Virtual Workstation, and if you have any questions, please click on our website virtualworkstation.org or chat with us, and we look forward to helping you.